There are a bunch of Noise Fit Indoor features that aid in smooth functioning of the Noise Fit Indoor smartwatch. Let's take you through them. Turn on the watch. Swipe down from home screen and choose Settings. Go to Stopwatch. Hit play to start recording, and hit the refresh button to start again. Press the side button to exit the feature. Dial. Choose Dial to change your watch face. You can also change your watch face from your smartphone. We'll share those steps later. Now, swipe and choose between different watch faces. Reset. Choose Reset if you want to reset your watch. Power off. Choose Power off to turn off your watch. You can also power off your watch by long pressing the side button. About. The About section shares info about the watch. QR code. The QR code helps you scan and download the DeFit app. You can find your phone with this feature as long as your phone is within Bluetooth range. Brightness. Select and adjust brightness of your smartwatch. For more updates, subscribe to our channel.